started.
Unless the wrong thing is more fun.
We'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Enemy ahead of us! You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks!
I'll patch you up.
Whew, I was in trouble.
Get down! Everybody get down now! Where's Oprah? Well, where's she at? Where's Oprah? Where's Oprah? See ya, bitch!
Go have fun! Only Yarnbjorn can stop the tapping machine. Let's make sure it gets there. Limbo! Oof, I was in trouble. Yeah! Charge! Right in your soul! Oof.
That vehicle! They've made it halfway! Stop them!
Again!
Survive this!
Again!
From Limbo!
Scratch my back. We've been good friends.
You get crushed.
See, you can
There we go. Let's rock!
There's still a chance to stop them!
I got you!
Rise,
They hit a checkpoint! Now might be a good time to stop them.
Go have fun!
God of Thunder!
Welcome to Rocket's Tree Service.
Better stop that vehicle!
I was in trouble.
Behold, Punkchild!
Straight to your soul! Huh. Sabotaging Loki's tapping operation?
Grace us with victory!
There's still a chance to stop them!
Behold, Punkchild!
Hey, Dee!
Just in time. Thanks.
They hit a checkpoint! Now might be a good time to stop them.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
Limbo!
Fight back, nigga! Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Fight back! Onward, my friends! Idris in our ways!
Charge! Limbo!
Oh, I'm fine. Don't mind me. Oh, made you happy.
I was in trouble. Survive this! Come, my minion!
It's now or never! Stop them!
strength is back.
Count on me.
Rocket's tree center.
Fix this, imp!
Well, you got one. I still need you.
Double KO!
Oof, I was in trouble.
Don't give them another inch, or else. I got you!
From limbo!
Just the idiots I was looking for.